ROI Print Manager. Managing printing, reducing waste, and saving money for your organization. ROI Print Manager is agent-based software that exists on an end user's desktop or laptop computer. There, the software tracks each individual end user by the way they log into your network, as well as which application they print through, the output device they choose to print to, color, black and white page volume, and much more. That data is transferred from the agent to an ROI admin console that sits securely on a server within your network. At that point, all print data from across the enterprise is aggregated and costs are associated. The end result is a comprehensive report that provides you highly digestible and actionable information, the foundation of your effective print strategy. The software is compatible in Windows, Macintosh, and Citrix environments and is completely customizable and scalable to meet your needs. Great data drives great decision making when it comes to implementing and managing the most effective print strategy for your organization. And ROI Analytics delivers all the details you need. But rather than have you sift through mountains of information, our executive summary style reporting gets you the most important information up front where it's needed most. Of course, you'll have access to individualized printer information and end user activity across the enterprise throughout the body of the report. But up front, you'll have intimate knowledge of your highest volume users, most expensive users, as well as low-hanging fruit or target areas for an effective print strategy, including information about users that print internet pages as well as email. You'll also get great device-based information, including your most and least used printers, as well as your most expensive printers across the enterprise. There is also great trending data, including applications used, hourly and daily print volumes, and much, much more. On top of that, ROI Analytics executive summaries also include a savings and reduction action plan that shows you how in 5 to 7 steps you can start on the path to savings when it comes to document production for your organization. Collecting great data is just half the story. ROI Print Manager offers organizations the ability to put print rules or policies in place that dictate or govern the way their end users interact with technology and produce documents. Wherever there's an opportunity to eliminate waste or misuse, to control costs, or to make end users more efficient and productive with their document production, ROI Print Manager can help. In this example, we'll be looking at some base or core functionality for the software, but please keep in mind there are many levels and many capabilities of what this software can do. In this example, we have least cost printing or least cost routing as our goal, where we can set print policies in place that say, based on a job's page count, where they should be produced. For example, we could put a rule in place that said any job over 100 or 200 pages must be produced within the company's print center, and then provide that end user with the ability to automatically get their job produced in that center in the most cost-efficient manner possible, while also allowing them to go back to mission-critical objectives at their desk that don't include document production, stapling, and sorting. At the other end of the spectrum, in our example today, we'll be looking at jobs that should be or shouldn't be produced locally on a desktop, laser, or inkjet printer. In this example, we've put our page count threshold at 3, telling an end user that anything under 3 pages can be printed locally, but anything over that should be printed at a more cost-efficient and productive multifunction device. The pop-up window or user awareness window that you see in this example is completely customizable. It's an HTML shell that allows you to customize the look and feel of it. The messaging can be changed to messaging that your enterprise wants its employees or end users to understand in order to create the most effective print strategy. Videos, graphics, company logos can be placed within this window to help an end user understand what you'd like them to achieve and why you'd like them to achieve it. You'll also notice at the bottom of the window that there is a choice for the end user. because ROI Print Manager rules can be passive or aggressive. We can allow end users to make their own decisions or force them into activities that we know are for the greater good of the organization, whether it's from a cost or productivity perspective or both. But that's just one example. We can also help your organization control color costs, assimilate new technology into the enterprise, send documents to the print center for rapid and cost-efficient production, limit volume based on page count, increase sustainability and support green initiatives, among many other things. To learn more about ROI Print Manager, visit roiprintmanager.com or call 602-788-1313.